Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm going to be making chicken sliders and the ingredients you need are 12 slider buns, 6 chicken sausages, 6 Gouda cheese slices, olive oil, paprika 1 teaspoon, pepper powder 1 teaspoon, roasted cumin powder 1 teaspoon and salt to taste. For the salad you need 1 onion chopped, 1 tomato chopped, 1 cucumber chopped, 1 bell pepper chopped, pepper powder half teaspoon, olive oil and salt to taste. For the sauce you need mayonnaise 2 tablespoons, mustard 1 tablespoon, chili garlic sauce 1 tablespoon and yogurt 2 tablespoons. And for basting you need butter 2 tablespoons, parsley half teaspoon and mozzarella cheese. So first up we have some olive oil in our pan and we are adding all our chicken sausages. Next up I'm going to be adding salt, paprika powder, pepper powder and some roasted cumin powder. And we're going to mix all of this nice and well until the sausages are well cooked. In a bowl here I have some tomatoes, cucumbers, onions and bell peppers. I've added olive oil, salt and pepper to them and we're going to mix this nice and well. In a separate bowl I have some mustard, some chili garlic sauce and some mayonnaise. Now to this we are going to be adding some yogurt and we are going to mix this sauce nice and well until there are absolutely no lumps. Now here I have some melted butter into which I've added some dried parsley. We are also going to add some mozzarella cheese shredded and we're going to mix this nice and well. Now I have my 12 slider buns which we are going to slit from the middle. I also have some Gouda cheese slices here. We're going to cut each slice into 4 little squares so that it can fit our sliders nice and well. So let's start assembling our slider. First I'm going to be adding some sauce to the base. Next I'm going to put 1 Gouda cheese slice. Then we're going to put in our sausages. Next I'm going to place the salad. I'm going to put 1 more cheese slice on top and I'm going to add some more sauce on the other side of the bun. So our slider is now ready. We're going to do the same for the rest of the 12 sliders here. And now I'm going to be adding our butter, which is for basting. I'm going to brush this butter all over all of the slider buns. So here all our slider buns are completely covered with the cheese and the butter and we are now ready to place them in a preheated oven for 180 degrees for 8 minutes. So our sliders are now ready as you can see, and when you touch them from top they'll be nice and crisp and hard. That's when you know that your sliders are ready. So this is the final product. I hope you liked watching my video. Thank you for watching.